here from Credit Wit, powered by Better Qualified. Today's question was, what makes up a credit score? Well, real simple, 5 major things. Today, I'm only going to talk about one. 35% of your credit score is made up of one thing. What is it? It's called payment history. It's the real obvious. Make your payments on time, right? Make your payments on time. Do not go 31 days late. Now, clarification, you get a due bill, you get your bill in the mail. It says due date. Today is 7/29. If it's not paid by that date, what happens? They hit you with a late fee, $39. Don't let that happen, right? That's the biggest part. But it's 30 days from that time frame if it goes late. So on day 31, you get the alert if you're monitored. If you're not monitored, it's a day late from 31 days late. That's when they mark your credit report. And that's 35% of your credit score. I've spoken before about my own credit, 98-point drop by missing one credit card payment. 98 points for going 31 days late. So that's 35% of your credit score. That's the tip for today. Back at you.